Hi, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking. My name is Layla and today we're making a barbecue chicken salad. We're going to start with our barbecue chicken skewers, which are marinated in barbecue, some oil, a little bit of honey, salt, pepper. When you make your skewers, just make sure you soak your skewers in like water for a little bit. That way they don't burn up on the grill. We're going to go ahead and mark each side for 3 minutes to get those nice crisp grill marks. Our chicken is finished and has reached a temperature of 165. We're going to go ahead and start building our salad. We're going to start with a base of romaine lettuce. And then we're going to add some of our black beans, which are rinsed and drained. Then we're going to add our grilled corn. And then our cherry tomatoes. Some red onion. Some avocado slices. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our skewers on. And then sprinkle with some cilantro. Some basil. And then we'll go ahead and drizzle our BBQ Ranch. This will be available in Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. We hope you enjoy. Happy July.